My name is Lisa Natalia Marie Meneses. I share the arguments of speak and improve part 3. What are the advantages? I consider that the advantages are first, you will have an additional income, gain work experience, a great opportunity to put into practice what you are studying. What are the disadvantages? I consider that the disadvantages are first, it takes away important study time, it can increase tension or stress. What is your own opinion? In my opinion, I think that a job is very important when you are studying, and it is better if it is part-time so that you can have a good performance and complete your studies satisfactorily. In this way, manage time correctly.